I'm living at the moment. And probably that is the reason you work hard, you survive, you fall, you rise, you fall again and you rise again. I must admit that this is one of the most wonderful evenings for anyone like me to have so much love, affection, adoration, and respect for my body work. Thank you, IFA, Mr. Andre, Mr. Viraf, Mr. Sudesh, your team, for honoring me for the outstanding contribution, for being a pioneer in cinema education by setting up a world-class film school, Whistling Woods International, Mumbai. You see, success is a big trap. You look forward for success all the time. All the time. This award which I am getting is a trap. This award what you are getting tonight is a trap like this. Well done, my bro. Better you do next time, because this award is for your past work. This is tomorrow morning. So you have to live up to the expectation all the time. I remember when I started entering into this trap of making movies for the mass audience, for the people around. I belong to Film Institute of India. I had great teachers with me to teach me a lot of good things, but I could not justify them because I was trapped in a commercial cinema. But whatever I could derive from them, I tried to paint in my commercial approach of those people in 80s, 90s, whatever they were. But this trap always makes you move forward. And you say, how many times? I remember after making Kalicharan and Vishwanath, my two films were flopped. Gautam Govinda and Krodhi. And I was declared a director of a season. They declared as a director of actor of season, director of a season. And I'm out, I'm nowhere. I was very hurt. Means I made good films, but they didn't run. And the whole market and industry is saying, Mr. Ghai, you are no more. I sank. And I started my own production with a film called Karz. And I made Karz. I did not want market to interfere. I didn't want my producers to interfere. Only thing, my honesty, my truth in me should interfere. And trust me, after that, nothing stopped me. And I made 11 super hits in one row. So I was trapped with that abuse, that you are no more, you are past, you are gone. You will hear this many times in life, but that should strengthen you more. My mother, I asked my mother, Mom, what is ultimate success? She said, you get success 2 times in life. One, when you get success to fill up your appetite. And second time, you get success to fill up others' appetite. And that is ultimate success. So you be successful to good enough to share your success with the thousands of the people. And that was the reason that I always worked from that time I always worked with the actors or the technicians who loved me. Movies cannot be made without love. Movies is a very creative business. If there has to be a mutual faith, respect, love. Director means director, actor means actor, technicians means technicians. There had to be discipline, there has to be a grammar, there has to be a quorum. And with this discipline, what contributed in my 11 hits were obviously these two guys are here, my Ram and my Lakhan. I remember one thing, Vidhata, I was making a film Vidhata with Mr. Dilip Kumar, and it was my first time when I was making a film with him. And Mr. Dilip Kumar is a huge legion guy in his thinking also. He thinks about all of us. And I remember when I told him after release the movie release हुआ और 3 दिन तक उनका कोई फ़ोन नहीं आया. नहीं तो एक्टर्स का फ़ोन जो है फर्स्ट शो में आ जाता है, कलेक्शन प्लीज़. फिर इवनिंग में आता है, अब क्या कलेक्शन प्लीज़. उनका 3 दिन से कोई फ़ोन ही नहीं आया. और हमारी मूवीज़ के साथ मजाक हमेशा यही रहा है मेरी हर मूवी के साथ. सुभाष जी ने पिक्चर बनाई है, अच्छी है, लेकिन वैसी नहीं जो पिछली थी. तो कन्फ्यूज़न सा रहता है कि सक्सेस है या नहीं. खैर मैंने मंडे को दिलीप साहब को खुद फ़ोन किया. एंड आई टोल्ड हिम, सर, डू यू नो दैट आवर पिक्चर हैज़ बिकम हिट? सुना है. ऐसे सुना है ना, मुझे आपने फ़ोन किया ना, वो मुबारकबाद दी. ही सेड, देखो जब पिक्चर चल जाए तो खुदा से माफ़ी मांग लेना. ये दुर्घटना से मुझे बचा लिया है, अगली मैं अच्छी बनाऊंगा. आई विल मेक बेटर फिल्म नेक्स्ट टाइम. ये तो एक्सीडेंटली चल गई. So you are always on the toe. On the toe. This business is on the toe. You fall many times, you rise many times. People talk. It doesn't matter. What matters is your own character. And when you say success is trap, I remember my mother's advice, you should share your success. Then I was trapped with a noble thought. I told my wife, Mukta Gai here, that now I have got the money, I think I should make a studio. Because the second thought it comes is a studio. सबने बनाया है, शांताराम जी ने बनाया है, महबूब खान से बनाया है, सब लोग बना रहे हैं. तो she said, स्टूडियो क्यों? ऐसी स्टूडियो बनाएंगे? स्टूडियो बना के क्या करोगे? उसको किराए पे दोगे? बच्चे लोग किराया खाएंगे, उसका रसीद काटेंगे. She said, give them the responsibilities. She told me, open a film school. She is the inspiration now. And immediately I was reminded by Dilip Saab when he was working in Saudagar. He had told me that, Subhash, I think with your approach you should open a huge library, film library here in Bombay, or a film institute here. Because I can see that you can do that and you are passionate about it. And that was a time when this again trapping started. And I was trapped. I diverted from my movies. I said, let me do this as a mission. And it took 5 years for me to study how to open an institute. I went to 32 film schools all over the world. I studied all over how they open the institute, should be the curriculum, what should be the discipline, the educational philosophy, the technology. And I got a land in Film City. And that time I called my daughter, Meghna Ghaipuri. She was in London. I said, Beta, you come to Bombay. you have to join me for this dream. And the story begins from here. I would say how much we struggle for 15 years now, 2000 to 2015 years, that today Whistling Woods International is one of the top 10 film schools on the world. It's a number one in Asia and top 10 out of the 1200 film school, but credit does not go to me, it does go to team. And I would definitely share this award because this award is especially for the outstanding contribution, not for only movies, but also for cinema education. So there is a big force behind it. My daughter, Meghna, I would like to call her on the stage and share this award, please. Meghna Ghai Puri, please. Now, I leave it to next generation to speak. Meghna, please.
Good evening, everyone. I think, as you can see, he is very, very, very passionate about Whistling Woods. He has built this, put his life's earnings in it, and I cannot thank him enough for this opportunity. A young girl like me at 21 got this opportunity to set up a world-class institute. So thank you, Papa. And I also want to say this is long overdue. So we are very, very, very proud of you. Thank you. Thank you, IFA. Thank you, everyone.
I must say I'm more happy than movies. I have made this something worth for my society, for my nation. I thank all my actors who have really contributed a lot. And I thank all support from every corner. Thank you all and love you all.
Ladies and gentlemen, the one, the only Subhash Ghai,
The showman!